Everyone thinks the best-selling silicone mold is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cupcakes Mini Muffin Pan. First up is the Cupcakes Silicone Muffin Pan, which has 24 mini cups and is priced at just $7.99. What caught my eye was its bestseller badge, and honestly, if you want a reliable muffin pan that makes baking a breeze, this is worth a serious look. The non-stick surface really shines here. Each cup holds 0.6 oz, and the design allows you to pop out your mini treats with just a little pressure. You can toss it in the oven, microwave, or even the dishwasher, making cleanup a no-brainer. Plus, it's safe between -104 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love baking but hate the hassle of scrubbing stuck-on food, this mold ensures your goodies come out perfectly every time. With over 7,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some people complained about the flexibility of the silicone, saying it can be tricky to handle when full. Here's the thing though, just place it on a metal tray or cookie sheet before filling it. This way, you'll avoid any spills and make it easier to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you often bake for gatherings or just love little treats. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity, as it's meant for mini muffins only. For under $8, it's a great value for all the deliciousness you can create. Product number 2, Achouf Donut Pan. Next is the Achouf Non-Stick Silicone Donut Pan, which comes in at only $6.61. The first thing that caught my attention was its unique design for 6 perfect donuts. If you want to whip up delicious, homemade donuts without the hassle, this is definitely worth considering. The 6-cavity mold makes 3-inch donuts that pop out easily thanks to its flexible silicone construction. No more batter stuck to metal pans. You can use it in the oven, microwave, or even the freezer, which makes it super versatile. It's designed to withstand temperatures from to 446, meaning you can get creative with your baking. This donut mold has a 4.6-star rating from over 2,300 reviews. People love it. However, a few users mentioned that the flexibility might lead to spills if not handled carefully. But honestly, if you're mindful while transferring it, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you love baking fun treats for your family. Skip this if you prefer larger batch sizes, as it only makes 6 donuts at a time. For the price, it's a fantastic way to enjoy homemade donuts. Product number 3, Ocream Mini Cake Pan. Now let's talk about the Ocream Bakeable Plastic Mini Cake Pan, which is priced at $19.99 and comes in a pack of 25. This caught my eye because it's a reusable option that changes the way you can create desserts. If you want to make mini cakes or jello desserts, this could be the right choice for you. The ability to bake and freeze is a standout feature. It handles temperatures from degrees F to 375 degrees F, meaning you can bake in it and then directly pop it in the freezer. This makes it perfect for making flans, jello, or any style of gelatina desserts. Plus, it's recyclable, so you can use it multiple times without sacrificing quality. With a 4.6-star rating and over 6,300 reviews, it's a popular choice among home bakers. However, I think if you're careful while cleaning, it's still manageable. This is for you if you love experimenting with different dessert styles. Skip it if you need something that's dishwasher safe. For 25 molds, the price is truly reasonable. Product number 4, Marine Theme Cake Molds. Coming in next is the Geo DIY Marine Theme Cake Fondant Silicone Mold Set, priced at just $5.99. If you want to add a fun touch to your baking, this is worth a look. This set includes 3 different molds shaped like seashells and starfish. They're made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, which is safe for the oven, microwave, and dishwasher. The flexibility allows for easy releasing of your baked goods, which is great for intricate designs. It has a 4.5-star rating and is well loved for DIY projects, not just baking. However, a few reviewers mentioned that the molds might not hold up to heavy-duty use. But honestly, if you're using them for occasional baking or crafts, they should perform just fine. This is perfect for you if you enjoy creative baking or crafting. Skip this one if you plan to use molds frequently or for heavy-duty items. For under $6, you're getting a fun addition to your baking tools. Product number 5, Aniet Dog Paw and Bone Molds. Finally, we have the Aniet 3-pack silicone molds, which are priced at $7.99. This unique set is perfect for pet lovers wanting to bake treats for their furry friends. If you want to make dog-themed snacks, this is definitely worth checking out. The molds feature paw prints and bones, allowing you to create fun treats, candies, or even ice cubes. The silicone material is BPA-free and can handle temperatures from to 446, making it safe for various uses. It has an impressive 4.6-star rating with over 500 reviews, showing that dog owners are loving it. One thing to note is that some users found the molds a bit smaller than expected. Here's the deal: if you're making treats for larger breeds, you might want to consider how many batches you'll need. This is perfect for you if you enjoy making homemade treats for your dog. Skip it if you need larger molds for human treats. For the price, it's a great investment in your pet's happiness. So there you have it. The Cacatime Mini Muffin Pan is fantastic for bite-sized treats. The Achouf Donut Pan makes it easy to create perfect donuts. The Cream Mini Cake Pan offers versatility for desserts. The Geo DIY Marine theme molds add creativity, and the Aniet Dog Treat molds are perfect for pampering your pets. Each product has its strengths and caters to different baking needs, so pick the one that fits your style best.